I'm going to walk you through the process of how to use my gadget and explain how to do the setups and everything. So when you get the gadget out of the box like this, and you'll turn to the back, and that has all the instructions here. You can see that it says R, it's 87.9, B, it's 94.3, and G, it's 102.7. And then on the other side, you have RR, which is 87.3, BB, it's 94.5, and GG is 108.0. So what this is telling you is that if when you plug in a device, you plug in a device like this, we're going to plug it into the iPhone 11. Once you plug it in, you'll see that there's a little red light there that tells you R, which means red, blue, B stand for blue, G stand for green. Push it again, you get flashing red, that's RR, that's red, red. Push it again, BB, which is blue, blue. And you see flashing green, that will be GG, green, green. So that's how you set the setting. You set the setting according to, by pressing the button. You see the button right here? By pressing the button, each time you press the button, you simply go from one to the next to the next. So when you plug in this device, you push one time, you see blue, you push it again, you see green, you push it again, you see red, red, you see again green, blue, blue, and again green, green. So you match the station that you want to use to the settings here based on the color. So by clicking on this button right here, you can go from one setting to the next, and you choose the one that works best for you. For most people, 87.9 will work for most people. So try that one first. And if you use 87.9, you don't have to mess with the setting at all. You just simply plug it into your phone like this. And you see it comes on. It's red, so it's 87.9. So all you have to do is set your car radio or your radio to 87.9. Then whenever you want to listen to your music, simply plug in this device onto your phone, and you're ready to cast any music through any radio. You don't need smart speakers. You don't need Bluetooth. You don't need any wire. Simply use my device to connect it to your phone, and you'll be able to listen to anything you want. This including music, podcast, audiobooks, YouTube. Anything that you want to hear or listen to, you can use my gadget to cast it through any radio that you have. Okay? This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.